Greetings, and thanks for tuning in. Yeah, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer again. Ladies and gentlemen, right here I have in my hand a Duppy Gun plant, and I've been trying to, choose a time to show you, yes, the Duppy Gun plant, what's so important and special about it. And this is what's so important and special about it. Look at the root structure on this plant right here. This tiny plant. And this is what we're talking about. This is what they call Duppy Gun Jamaican Ginseng. These are the roots of the plant. Yeah. So remember to subscribe, like, and share, ladies and gentlemen. It's Rastafari Soldier, just showing you the Duppy Gun plant, the root structure, why it's called Jamaican Ginseng. As you see, the root structure for this tiny little plant is probably about, say, about 6 inches, and it has roots the same length as the actual plant. See? Give thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. You're watching the Crocus Bag Farmer. Yeah, showing you natural roots, natural herbs. Yeah, that's the word, not a verb. Blessings.